Okay, what is this? I was not expecting any packages. What is this? A Bath and Body Works box. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry for the echo. You probably know I am at the new house. I got to my front door and I got this box. So I'm like, who ordered me some Bath and Body Works? And it's not a little box. This is like a giant box. So it has only my name on it, so I had to think about it. I called one of my sisters and I said, did you send me some Bath and Body Works? Sure enough, she ordered me some candles as a housewarming gift. So you guys, I do not know what's in this box. It's still taped shut. As you can see, I had just received it. So I'm super excited. I love surprises. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this open because it's gonna be loud, and then we'll see what's in here. Okay, so I got it open. Oh my goodness. Look at all of these candles. New Cactus Blossom. I guess that's a new line that's coming out. And that one that's been out, but it's a 20% off coupon. Oh my goodness. I love Bath and Body Works candles. I have a bunch of them, but I needed some more. And this is like the perfect housewarming gift. I'm gonna get my sister for this. Okay, so let's see what she sent me, because I had oh my god, there's so many. I do not know what she sent, so let's see. Okay, so the first one is blueberry maple pancakes. Ooh, I have not had that. Ooh, okay, so let's see what the notes are on this. Wild blueberries, griddle fresh pancakes, warm maple syrup with essential oils. Oh my goodness. I love blueberry candles, and these are all 3-wick candles, well, from what I see. So that's super cool, and this is for fall. Okay, this next one, let's see, is, oh my goodness, banana cream pie. Ah, I haven't had this one either. Oh my gosh. This is fresh banana slices, whipped cream, a scoop of peanut butter, cookie crumble crust with essential oils. That sounds so good. Let me smell this one. Oh my goodness, that smells like banana pudding. That smells so good. Oh my gosh. Okay, candle number 3. Ooh, okay, it's looking like she got me fall candles since fall is coming. This is peach cobbler. I haven't had that one either. Juicy peach slices, cinnamon sugar, golden baked pie crust with essential oils. Oh gosh, this smells like that peach ring candy. You know those little round peach rings? That's what that smells like. It smells super good. I love peach stuff. Besides banana, I think peach would be my second favorite scent. So this is like, oh, I can't wait to burn that. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna get my sister for this, I swear. Caramel pumpkin swirl. I think I had this one before. It's just that sometimes they put it in different packaging or labels, and it kind of throws you off. Like, have I had that one? Because they just switch it up. But I think I have. If I have, I liked it. It's luscious caramel, ground cinnamon, brown sugar, creamy vanilla with essential oils. Okay, that sounds good. I know that smells good. What else is in here? She sent so many candles. Oh my gosh. Ooh, pumpkin cupcake. Oh my gosh. Oh, what is that? Whipped buttercream, Madagascar vanilla, pumpkin spice, freshly baked cupcake with essential oils. Look at that picture. That is super cute. Okay, I get the pumpkin scent in here, but I get a lot of cinnamon. That's what I smell in that one. It smells really nice though. Okay, this one, the packaging was jacked up. So let's see. Ooh, vanilla pumpkin marshmallow. Oh my gosh. I haven't even been in Bath and Body Works since the last time I did a haul with you guys. Tunisian vanilla, pumpkin spice, homemade marshmallow, drizzled caramel with essential oils. I didn't even know they had all their fall candles out. So this is a surprise. What did that smell like? Okay, on this one, I'm not really getting a pumpkin scent. I am getting a slight vanilla marshmallowy fragrance. It smells really good, but it's probably one of those ones that it'll burn and you'll get more of the pumpkin fragrance. But yeah, so that's in here. Oh my gosh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 more candles. I hope they're like duplicates and she didn't pick all different candles, but if she did, I don't mind. Pumpkin pecan waffles. Did I say that one already? No. Nope, I didn't. Pumpkin pecan waffles. I love that picture. That's cute. Maple syrup, golden waffles, pumpkin spice, brown sugar with essential oils. Yummy. Pumpkin pecan. Oh my goodness, all of these smell so good. It smells really, really sweet, and I can smell the pumpkin and kind of like waffles. Okay. I got a giant mess. Oh, what? PB and J. Oh, I ain't never, ever heard of this. PB and J. Oh my gosh. Fresh strawberry jam, toasted bread, crunchy peanut butter, drizzle of honey with essential oils. Let me smell this. Okay, off the top, let me see. What do I smell? I don't smell peanut butter and jelly. I was thinking that I was gonna smell like a jelly and peanut smell. This one is kind of throwing me off. I don't know what I smell. I don't know. It's like, I don't know. I'm having a hard time with this one. I love that picture though. But it's more of like a musk scent, not like a super sweet peanut butter and jelly scent. I don't know. Fresh strawberry. I don't smell strawberry. Toasted bread. Maybe I'm smelling like the toasted bread. Maybe it's more like a burnt bread. I don't know. Crunchy peanut butter. Drizzle of honey. Maybe I'm smelling the bread and the honey because it has more of a like a musky scent to it. But that's so cool. Never ever had a candle like that ever. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see. Pepper Suede. This is Everescent bergamot, black peppercorn, soft amberwood with essential oils. Ooh. Oh, I love that fragrance. That is so clean. It smells like winter. It's just, I can't really explain it, but it's so nice. It almost smells like a man's cologne, if that makes any sense. But it smells clean and really nice. I like that. Peppered Suede. Okay, we got 5 more to go. Salted Butterscotch. She got all different candles. Oh my goodness. Warm brown sugar. You guys see that burn on top of my hand? It was a giant bubble. It was a blister, you guys. I was cooking some dang on sausage, and that grease popped out that pan and tore my hand up. It was like, it was messed up for like a week. It's just now starting to scab up or whatever, so excuse that. My cooking battle wound. Salted butterscotch, warm brown sugar, sweet cream, a pinch of sea salt, melted butter with essential oils. Ooh, let's see. Okay, on this one, I'm smelling exactly what it says. I smell butterscotch, but then I smell like a little bit of like a salty kind of fragrance. So that is definitely true to the name in my opinion. Okay, 4 more. What is this? My favorite. She knows that's my favorite. That is my favorite winter fall candle. Hot cocoa and cream. I remember, I think it was 2 years ago, they did the little $8 sale, and I was like, I ran to that store first thing in the morning, and I think I bought like 10 of these or something like that. But this is my all-time favorite candle. My sister knows that. Decadent milk chocolate, fresh steamed milk, mini marshmallows with essential oils. When you walk in your house, oh my goodness, it'll smell like you were baking a batch of brownies or something. This smells so good. Okay, this one, caramel apple. Granny Smith apple slices, warm golden caramel, cinnamon vanilla cream with essential oils. Let's see. Oh, okay. It smells like, I smell the sourness of a green apple, and then I smell a little bit of the caramel underneath it. But what's more strong, the stronger scent in this is the Granny Smith apple. So I can't wait to burn this and see what this smells like. I've never had caramel apple candle before, so that's gonna be interesting. Let's see, we got 2 more to go. Ooh, cinnamon Irish cream. Look at the packaging on that. That is so cute. Cinnamon spice liqueur, so liquor, Irish cream, French vanilla with essential oils. That picture is so cute. Let's smell it. Oh, look at the top. I forgot to show you guys the top. Some of them has little pictures on them like that. Can you see that? The little acorns on it. Super cute. Let's see. Oh my gosh. You definitely smell like the liquor in that. It smells like not Kahlua, but like an Irish cream, like one of those Irish cream liquors, and you know, you can add it to your coffee or whatever. This smells just like that Irish cream, and you do definitely smell the cinnamon. I would definitely, yeah, I had to smell it again. I would definitely go purchase a few more of these. That one is really, really nice. I like that. Okay, and then we have one more. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna get her for this. Warm apple pie. I've had warm apple pie before. Baked Granny Smith apple, melted brown sugar, and flaky homemade crust with essential oils. So that is that one. Okay, so it looks like let me see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 dang-gone candles. And there they all are. Look at that. This echo sounds crazy, but look at all of those candles that my sister sent me. That is so sweet. Oh my goodness. As soon as I'm done filming, I will be calling her, because like I said before, we love to surprise each other. This is like the ultimate housewarming gift. She knows I love candles and everything. So I'm gonna wrap this up. I got a lot of stuff to do here today. I just saw this at the door and I figured let me bust my camera out and show you guys what she sent me. So thank you all for watching. Let me know which one of these is your favorite. If you've already purchased any of these, are you going to be purchasing any of the fall candles? And if you do, because like I said, I probably only had 2 of these. If you do, which one of these will you be getting, or do you have your eyes on a different candle? Let me know. So when I go back to the store, I can probably, no, I'm not. I don't need to get no more candles. Okay, just let me know what you're going to be purchasing for this fall. And I'll talk to you guys real soon in my next video. Okay, bye.